Ever wondered how vast your vocabulary truly is, or yearn to expand it further? Well, you're in the right place. This video will guide you on a simple yet effective journey to enhance your vocabulary through newspapers and articles. Step 1. Begin by selecting a newspaper or an article. Choose a publication that interests you, something that you'll look forward to reading every day. Whether it's world news, sports, or arts and culture, the choice is yours. Step 2. Make sure to read the chosen material actively. Yes, that's right, active reading. This involves not just reading the words, but understanding their context, their meaning, and their usage. Step 3. While reading, highlight or underline any words that are unfamiliar or intriguing. It's these words that are the building blocks of your expanding vocabulary. Step 4. Now, here's an important one. Research every highlighted word. Look up its definition, its synonyms, and its antonyms. Try to understand its roots and its origin. This step will not only expand your vocabulary, but also deepen your understanding of the language. Step 5. Practice makes perfect. Use these new words in your daily conversations and writing. The more you use them, the more they become a part of your active vocabulary. Step 6. Keep a vocabulary journal. Yes, a journal dedicated solely to your new words. Write down every new word, its meaning, and a sentence using it. This will serve as a handy reference and a testament to your growing vocabulary. Step 7. And finally, repeat. Yes, it's that simple. Repeat the process. The more you read, the more words you'll encounter, and the more your vocabulary will grow. Now let's summarize the key points and strategies discussed. Start by selecting a newspaper or an article that interests you. Read it actively, highlighting any unfamiliar or intriguing words. Research these words, understanding their definition, usage, and origin. Use these new words in your daily conversations and writing. Keep a dedicated vocabulary journal and repeat the process. Remember, this journey is not a race but a marathon. Take your time, enjoy the process, and before you know it, you'll be impressing everyone with your sophisticated and expansive vocabulary. So, are you ready to embark on this vocabulary-enhancing journey? It's time to grab that newspaper or article and get started. Happy reading!